PRIMUS is the first step in safely cleaning your vehicle. Use it to remove as much dirt and grime as possible before touching your paintwork with your shampoo and wash mitt. Okay, let me explain. Washing your vehicle properly will always require wiping the surface of your paintwork. So it makes perfect sense to remove as much of those larger particles of dirt and grit as possible before you touch your paintwork. Otherwise, you just end up wiping grit and grime across the surface, causing fine scratches or even worse. But spraying with water doesn't always cut it. A lot of the dirt on your car is oily in nature and resists being rinsed off, like on this panel. But if we hit the panel with PRIMUS first, it provides the chemical cleaning power you need to do the job properly. You can clearly see the majority of the dirt has gone, and I haven't even touched the panel with a wash mitt. So PRIMUS comes in a ready-to-use spray and a concentrate you can mix yourself. Just add between 100 and 150 ml per litre of water, depending on the severity of the dirt on your vehicle. Spray it on, concentrating on the lower areas of the car and leave to dwell. It will break apart oily films, start to dissolve grime, and lift and loosen the larger particles of dirt and grit that might be stuck on your paintwork. Now, rinsing off with water will take off the vast majority of contaminants with it, which means you are a lot less likely to inflict damage when it comes to the shampooing stage. Just a reminder, here's the BMW before and after. So that's PRIMUS, the first step in cleaning your vehicle. Use it to help remove as much dirt and grime as possible before shampooing your vehicle, making it far quicker, easier and safer for your paintwork.